In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a streak counter in Notion using a ready-made template. It's a simple way to track habits and stay consistent with your goals. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. Search for Habit Tracker or Streak Tracker, then choose a template that fits your needs and add it to your workspace. Customize the template by changing the title, icon, and cover image if you'd like. Replace the sample habits with your own, such as reading, exercising, studying, or journaling. Update your tracker each day by marking completed habits. Many streak templates include formulas that automatically calculate your current streak and overall progress. If needed, add properties such as date, status, goal, or notes to track additional information and personalize the dashboard. Review your streaks regularly to stay motivated and adjust your habits as your goals change. That's how to create a streak counter in Notion. Thanks for watching.